Hello and welcome to Aspie Candles, episode 5 or 6, possibly 7. And we've thought today that we would explain how, step by step, you make a candle. Because we haven't actually done a video on it. We've shown you it loads of times, but we haven't done an actual step by step. So that's what today's video is going to be. We're making 6 candles today. So yeah, we're just going to get on with it. Not going to sit around chatting too long. So let's start with what you will need. Firstly, you will need a pitcher to pour your wax with. You will need some sort of stirring implement to stir the fragrance oil and stir it while it's melting. You will need a thermometer so you can take the temperatures, because temperature is very key when candle making. You will need your vessels and your wicks. We are using these Lottie jars and we've got various wicks to use. Mostly Eco and CL is what we're using today. You will need your fragrance oil. We have 2 different types we're using today. You will need some scales that we measure in grams, so that's what these do. Actually, I don't know if you're going to do ounces, grams, whatever, but we are grams. You will need your wax. Oh, before we do the wax, you need your wick stickers to hold your wick in place in the containers of your choice. You will need, depending how you want to document everything, scissors, sellotape. On the bottom of every vessel we have the information, as in what wax we've used, wick, temperature poured, etc. and so forth. MZ, could you pass me the wax, please? You will need some wax. We are now using CB135. We've stopped using the C3 for the minute because we've made hundreds of candles, no success.
They look good though.
They look nice, they don't work. And you will also need a large saucepan. So we're using the double boiler method, where you just simply put your wax into here, dip it into the container into the boiling water and let it melt. I think that's everything. Oh, the wick holders to keep the wick centering tool is what it's called, just to keep the wicks in the center position whilst in the containers when they're solidifying.
This is the tricky part because of how heavy it is. Oh, it's not even at 4 yet. Wait, I'm just giving all the rest. Oh! Grab it, Matt.
So here are the candles we've made today. As you can see, some of them have already solidified quite nicely and the others are catching up. And for the very first time, we have made one with a bit of dye in it because Emily has been desperate to make a lavender candle. So it'll be really interesting to see how that one works. So yeah, that's our candles all made today. What is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 candles, which is not bad at all. So yeah, there's our 8 candles, and we will now leave them to do their thing. And yeah, give it 2 weeks before we do our burn test. So that's it for this video.
Can I just say something?
Yes, you may.
I'm so excited for the lavender one.
Yes, that would be wicked. I've actually done a bit of a cheat on that one. It was one of the candles that failed miserably. So I found a way of heating all the wax up and using it for something else, and which freed up this clear glass because we'd actually run out of clear glasses. And there's no point dyeing your candle if you can't see the colour of the waxes there now. So it'd be really interesting to see how that one comes out. So that's it anyway for this episode. And yeah, hope that was of use to somebody out there. And we will see you in the next one. All right, you take care till then. Peace out, man.